If you want to talk to your friends who are in the other country, then what you will do? You just dial their number on your mobile and connect and then talk. If you want to move from one country to another country, then what you will do? You just need to book a air ticket, have a seat in an airplane and just fly. If you want to move fast from one place to another, then what you will do? You just start your motorcycle and just go. These are the invention which was invented by human being. These invention invented by human being only when they feel need of it. We all know that necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of all inventions. Is this right? Good evening everyone. I am Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer at Winsome Express and affiliate marketer. Today I am going to share my views on the topic necessity is the mother of all inventions. I hope you all are fine and enjoying this rainy season. So, our today's topic is necessity is the mother of all invention. This is true, but its father is creativity and his knowledge is midwife. This is the complete quote. And you know one thing guys, needs drive invention. If you have need, you will invent something. If you don't have any need, then you will not invent anything new. So for invention, first and foremost basic rule to invent anything new, to have necessity, to have need of that. Do you want me to prove this? I'll prove this at this very moment. You just give me 2 minutes and I will prove that how need drives invention. So we all know guys, this is corona period and we all know that we need to wear mask to prevent corona. We need to cover our mouth, face by mask so that we can't affect by corona. But let's suppose if anybody have, or should I say anybody don't have mask, then what he or she will do? And even today that without mask we have penalty. So if anybody don't have mask, then what he or she will do? They will do one thing, that is they use their handkerchief or a piece of cloth to cover their mouth. You see guys, if they don't have mask, they use a piece of cloth to cover their mouth to prevent from corona. This is the invention that what I am talking about. The need is to cover the mouth and the invention is a piece of cloth. That is what exactly need of are. The need is mask and the invention is a piece of cloth. So I proved myself that necessity is the mother of all invention. Am I right guys? Yes I am. You have telephone, airplane, motorcycle, cycle, pen, everything. And why these things invented? Because human being felt that they need this thing. They need this thing to comfortable their life, to desire their life, to complete their life. So how they will complete their life? By inventing something new. If you want to go fast from one place to another place, then you will use motorcycle. If you want to write something on a paper, you will use pen. If you want to listen your heartbeat, then you will use stethoscope. If you want to see your bone which was breaked, then you will use X-ray. If you want to connect with your friends on a telephone, on a videography, then what you will use? Internet. So these are the invention, an invention done on the basis of need. We need one thing, then only we invent new things. Nowadays we are inventing more and more and more weapons, more different kind of weapons. Why? Because people think that they need weapons to protect themselves from the enemies like terrorists. I know guys that every invention is not good, but you need to think one thing, that every invention is done after human being felt that they have necessity, they need something. So always remember that if you have necessity of anything, you will invent that, you will do that thing. If you feel that you need this thing, you will invent new thing, you will develop new skills. So always remember that necessity is the mother of all inventions. Thank you.